How are you all? I hope I'm audible to all of you. Hi, Ananya. Hi, Roops. How are you all? Guys, this is Thursday and I'm here. I've just sent the request to our guest of the day and I'm just waiting for her to come over.
Hi, Geetika. Hi.
How are you, Ananya?
Fine.
So, before I could just start anything, I would just like you to introduce yourself and tell us something about you that, like, who are you actually? How can we just know you on this platform?
Sure. Hi, everyone. Hi, this is Ananya. I'm from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, and I'm an author of 4 published books. By profession, I'm a microbiologist, and currently I'm pursuing my master's in molecular biology. So, yeah, that's it. And also, I'm working as a director in the publications department of WIIMUN, that is a debating platform of Model United Nations. So, yeah, that's it.
That's
And I
great.
hope you all enjoy this session.
Yeah, that though only people out there, they will just let us know with the comment section if there is something they just want to ask something, or I would be having some few questions about your your being an author. How does it feel to you, your struggles and many things? Like I have a set of questions for that. So
Yeah,
first, you said that you have published 4 books. So as you, I guess I have asked this before as well, are these you have been authored these books, or these have been co-authored by you?
no, I am author of all these 4 books. The first one was Purpose, and
Sorry,
it was
sorry.
my solo book. Yeah, the first book was Purpose. So
Mm-hmm.
it was mainly a spiritual book, and the second one was also a solo book. While the third one was an anthology, but yes, I was the author in that, and there were many co-authors along with me.
Okay.
And the fourth one was also a solo book. So yeah, I'm an author in all the 4 books. So it's clear. I hope.
Okay, so just give an insight of your, starting from the first book and towards the fourth book. We would just like to know about those books, that what these books deal with.
Okay,
What are the things we get to read in these books?
sure. So see, the first book I wrote was Purpose. And the subtitle of it was "Animals Are More Humane Than Humans." So, this book was mainly about the spiritual journey of a boy who, who was just a school-going boy. He was in just seventh, eighth standard, and he leaves his home and he goes on a spiritual journey, like at a very young age. And then there he faces so many problems in the forest, and he sees so many problems in the world, and then he finally comes back to make a change in the world. But the book is all about that, is he really able to make a change or not? Like, we humans, we do not give chance to good people, no, to come up. We are so jealous of them. So it's all about that, like mental development in a spiritual way. So,
Okay.
yeah, the first one was that. And it was, I think, an amazing journey to write that book, because obviously it was the first one.
So
And
how that book happened to you? How that book came to you?
okay, it was unexpected. Like, it came to me unexpectedly. I had no intention of publishing any book at that time. It was just that yes, I wanted to publish, but I was not knowing that when it will happen or when will I complete the story and all. I just started with a story. I just started with a concept that I wanted to bring out to people. So I kept on writing, writing, writing. It took me 3 to 4 months to complete the gist of the story. Then I kept on adding few things. So it took around 5 months. The complete process was of 5 months, and then finally, like when it was completed, I contacted 2 or 3 people whom I know that they keep publishing their articles here and there, although not books. But
Mm-hmm.
yes, one of my friends, he gave me an idea that yes, you can go for Kindle, like for publishing your ebook. So
Okay,
firstly,
KDP. That is Kindle display publishing, I guess.
no. It is Kindle direct publishing.
Direct publishing. Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I first published it as an ebook only. I did
Mm-hmm.
not know about the paperback thing and all.
Mm-hmm.
So while the ebook was, being read by so many people, so they kept on telling me that why don't you bring out a paperback, hard
Mm-hmm.
copy of this. So I searched for various options. I sent my book to publishing houses also.
Mm-hmm.
Then finally, I thought that already it's too late for me to bring out a paperback. So I went for self-publishing via Notion Press, because obviously it is a faster platform and you can manage your things on your own, right? In
Mm-hmm.
self-publishing.
Mm-hmm.
So yes, I went for that thing, and I published my paperback through the Notion Press platform. And the
So
rest 3 books
it
followed the
happened. It
same
happened in
path.
which year?
It happened in the beginning of 2020 only.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
it was Feb. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So then what about the second book?
Then the second book, actually, the second book was written first, but
It came
yeah,
out later.
yeah, it came out lately because I really didn't want to publish that book. I was not, confident about how, people will take it, because some things, are not understandable by everyone. Like it was a complicated story. So once when you do one thing, then you get confidence to do something else also, in like which
Mm-hmm.
is similar.
So what
So
what
once
is
I
what is
published
the
one
second
book,
story is about? What's that story about?
the second story is about it's a family in which the kids, like there is a girl named Avina and her brother Nathan, who are they are neglected by their own parents. They don't get time from their parents. So it's like in this busy world, parents are not able to give time to their children. So it was about that, and how still they, those kids manage to lead a happy life and finally attain peace. So it's about that.
Okay. Okay. So what's the title of these books?
Uh, the
First you
first
said
one
it's
I
the
told you is,
purpose.
yeah.
Yeah, purpose. Then
The
what's about?
second one is Years of Disgrace.
Sorry.
Years of Disgrace.
Okay. 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 Then came the anthology, and then the fourth one, self-published book.
Pardon?
Then the third came anthology, and the fourth one is the self-published.
Uh,
Again, the
yeah.
solo book. So
Yeah.
what's that about?
The fourth one is on mental health and self-development.
Okay.
So, yeah, that's the title, Mental Health and Self-Development.
Okay.
And since I'm from a science background, and since I am a graduate in microbiology, medical microbiology, so I, always wanted people to know the gist of being healthy, and being healthy is not just enough. Your mental development, when it is not proper, then you will not be called healthy, right? So both the things go hand in hand. So that's why I came up with the book, this one, Mental Health and Self Development. And yes, till now, people are really liking it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, like you said that, so all these four books came in 2020. Sorry, can you hear me?
Can you pardon? No, I wasn't able to hear you.
Okay, I said all these four books came in 2020.
Yeah, all came in
Okay.
2021.
Okay, so basically, so how's you said that people are liking it, and you are getting good reviews about it. So basically, I want to know that about once that a book has happened to you, after that the journey, the real journey starts, which where you have to deal with a lot of things. It's like marketing of the book. Once it is published, it is in the market, then how to convince your readers, how to maintain the niche for your own readers. So how did you do that?
Firstly, see, once the book is published, firstly, the main marketing thing, the main thing to attract your readers or satisfy their urge to read a book is
Mm.
that you come up with a thing that really, strikes their mind.
Okay.
Like when a book is published, then the first thing is you bring out a poster of the book, right?
Mhm.
So it should contain something, some title or some theme you should, display on the poster that should reflect what's there in your book, right? So,
Okay.
and yes, social media should be used as a platform to bring out these posters. And then not only just posting, you should have some kind of, personal contact. Like it should be, if you're bringing out something, then you can send it directly also to your contacts, right? To your
Right,
Instagram
right.
followers.
Hmm.
You know, so that is also a thing that matters a lot. I have seen that because when I remember when the first book was published, I was everything was new for me, right? So I just simply posted and I saw that, oh, I'm not getting any results. But then I started sending it, privately also, and then I
Okay, okay.
saw that yeah, people are forwarding, people are liking
Yeah,
it,
because
they're
I
seeing it
think
more.
I think that posting generally that doesn't help here, because on social media there are a lot of people doing the same thing. So
Yeah,
that's what my question is all about, to convince people to maintain your niche. That is
yeah,
really important. That is really
yeah.
important to know, that why people should read your book. What is there that you could just drive the attention of people towards the book.
Yeah,
So
and it's not about just posting just one time. It's about you have to keep on giving a reminder that yes, my book
hmm,
is there.
hmm,
It will satisfy what you want. Just
true that.
so
True
it's
that.
there.
True that. So, what about other, like critical thinking about and after that getting critical reviews about the book?
Okay, yeah, obviously, when where there are positive reviews, there are also negative ones. So you need to accept everything, right?
Hmm.
So yes, I'll tell you the first negative comment I got was that why do I have so many contents? Like okay, the number of contents in my book, in
Okay.
my second book, are too many. Like the book is of nearly 100 pages, but
Okay.
the number of contents are 23, like the number of
Oh.
chapters. So
Okay.
one reader said that, why have you divided it so much?
Hmm.
But on the other hand, some people told that you have made a good division. So I was like, okay. But then
Yeah.
I analyzed that thing and I found out that really I shouldn't have divided so much.
Okay.
Is there, yeah. So sometimes these things help you. Like you have to, keep on analyzing your work also.
Right. That's true.
So,
That's true. Because you are
yeah,
you
in
are
my
your
further
own
books,
critique. You are your own critique for your work. It just like the life, that whatever whatever move you make next depends on the last move you made. This is what
yeah,
I believe in
exactly.
life.
Yeah.
So okay, so apart from that, what are your future aspects related to writing? As I can see that you have the Insta handle also with the name of author Ananya. So now, it is not only this thing, or you have this thing on your mind that you have to be on this journey till long?
Yeah, I think not. I think see, I have decided that this thing will always continue. Like I'll keep on writing because I feel that my pen is my sword, and whatever I write, it is not just my feelings or what I think. It's about giving a message to the world. It's about changing the mentality of the people. It's about delivering something that they really need to understand. So even if out of billions, even if 1,000 people or 100 people get something in their head, they get something to change their life. So I
Mhm.
think I will succeed. And yes, so I will keep on writing. It will keep on helping a lot of people. The number, I know it will keep on multiplying. I will surely bring out better
That
books and.
that
Yeah, soon I will be going for traditional publishing also because
okay.
till now I've only been,
Self-published.
restricted to
So
self-publishing.
you have
But
already
yes,
been selected for that, or the thing is really it is going on.
pardon?
That for the traditional thing. So you have got the chance, or yet that thing is going on.
No, no, I haven't applied anywhere for traditional publishing till
Yeah.
now.
But you should.
But
If
soon
you
I will,
have, I can
I
see
will
that confidence, so you should go for that. And
be.
my next question for you is like, I have seen like all sort of people out here. Like here, I have already interviewed HarperCollins published authors. I have interviewed a lot of self-published authors. I have I've talked with a lot of people out there. So now you said that these four books, that some books were written before and came after. Some books
Yeah.
were, it is just like a story. So like between these four books, you must have been through the writer's block. You must have been through the writer's block. So how did you deal with that?
I think it was fun because the thing is that every time it's a new experience,
Hmm.
and every time you read something, you get something new in your head, or sometimes you are thinking opposite to it also. Then it triggers triggers a story in your mind, or it triggers something else in your mind that forces you to write more. So it's always something
Right.
new for me.
But I must say, you resemble to someone where I don't know where. I mean, even your voice resemble to that
Okay.
person is in some series.
All right.
Okay, yeah, but I cannot
Maybe.
just find. I cannot just recall where is it. When I'll just tell you who is it. I have a curiosity, a very bad curiosity, like that sort of. But that's okay. Like
All right.
we could be just connect to each other, and someday if I'll just get to know that whom I'm talking about.
That's actually good to know.
Yeah, because that girl was there, I guess, in that some movie as well. Okay,
Okay.
let me. I'll just remember someday. If I'll just remember, I'll just text you right there. Okay. So, okay, then we have talked about social platform thing. We've talked about traditional publishing. We've talked about writer's block. So, um, what is the like? How many books do you often read?
Okay.
Yeah.
See, I think it's one book a week. One book a week. One, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So that means, yeah,
Yeah,
that's
because
really
I
good.
have to manage my college also, and
Exactly. So
then
how old
writing
are you?
my own.
How old are you?
Okay, I am 23.
Okay, that's great. So I guess many like with age and everything, you will just add on to your experience also in your books, and that will make like a full-fledged traditionally published novel one day. Okay. So apart from this, like what message do you have for other writers who are searching this sort of confidence in themselves, and they are still not be able to deal with it.
I think it always seems impossible until it's done. So we just need to start. And when you start a thing, it's half done. Because, it takes a lot of courage to start, and it takes a little less courage to work on it. But um, a very high level of courage to,
Stick
keep
on it.
on doing it and
To stick
maintain it.
on it.
Yeah. So
There,
I will say that
there is a line,
you need to start.
lyrics of like Orange is the New Black, the series. Lyric says like taking decisions is easy and standing straight is hard. That is difficult.
Yeah.
So
So
that's
this is
the
the thing
really
I
good
was
thing you just said. Really, really well said.
So I just want to say to all the writers out there who are struggling to come up with another book or maybe their first book. So a message for them is that they need to start somehow, be it in any way, they need to start. And if they are not confident, then I would like to say that they should, you know, they should come up with some ideas to contact people who will reply back to them. They should analyze these things, no? Because
Yeah,
see, every author will not reply them. Every
yeah,
author will not reply them back. So they need to analyze things and contact such people who will help them. Because I did the same thing. If I would haven't contacted people and haven't asked people that how to publish book, how to go ahead with printing all these and bringing out my articles, like blogging also. In fact, I was so confused, like what are blogs, what is blog site, like
right.
2 years back. But then, I started from somewhere. I thought that maybe someone will think that I'm foolish, I don't know this thing. But if that day I would have restrained myself from asking that person, then I think I would not have been here today where I am. So I think the thing is to
Brilliant.
start. It's very important to
Brilliant.
start from somewhere, be it a foolish
Somewhere.
start, but you need
Right.
to start somewhere. Keep your ego aside, keep your, uh, you know,
Even keep
uh,
your setbacks aside.
yeah, keep everything aside, keep all the negativity aside, keep
And I've got the
everything. Go
name.
blank. Sometimes it's good to go blank. Sometimes it's good to start afresh.
Very nice. I've got the name. That is Shweta Tripathi, I guess, if I'm not wrong.
Okay.
The actress of Masan movie.
Okay. I don't know. I will search. I will see this.
I mean, I don't know the name really. The name is correct or not. I'll send you the photo. I mean, you resemble a
Sure,
lot.
sure.
Even your voice is like her.
Oh my God. My pleasure.
Okay. So basically, when you actually there is something when you just keep on digging, and it was like, yeah, there is something. so
Okay.
so I would just like to say that keep writing, Ananya, that if this is your thing, if this is your identity, if the pen is really a sword for you, then always keep writing. And I myself is an author, and I also, this is the way at Brenda Kavan, it's the way to connect with the, like-minded people, to maintain the niche. And here we always give people, authors give chance to, to express themselves, to tell us about their journey. And I wish you all the best for your beautiful journey ahead, and beyond your studies. And come up with more books, and just
Sure, sure.
let us know about your more of your work.
Okay, so I have a surprise for my readers today.
Please go
Okay,
ahead.
so the surprise is that I will be coming up with uh, 3 books this year, and the first one is health related, and I want all the readers, all my intact readers especially, to go through that book so that you understand that what really the world needs, and how the mentality and everything, your environment, everything affects your health. So yes.
Great, great. That's really, I just wish you all the best for your,
Thank you so much, Geetika.
upcoming projects. And there are a lot of things that you should, now you should be working on. So just let us know if, here we can, we cannot say that promote, but yeah, we do feature books as well. So I have not checked that thing where you have been featured with us. So if you would like to come up with the books also, you can just contact us. So that's really great that you are, working in that scenario, that aspect of your life. I wish you all the best. Stay continued on the path you're walking on. Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Ananya,
much,
for being
Geetika.
here. And just with that, all the best wishes, I would just end this live session for tonight. Thank you so
Sure.
much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Geetika. Thank you, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Good night.
Good night.